नेक्स्ट के लिए हमारे पास क्या है, नेक्स्ट के लिए वी हैड अ लॉट्स ऑफ डेटा. ओके, तो हमें क्या करना है, वी नीड टू क्रिएट अ मार्केट ऑफ 5 स्टूडेंट बाय रैंडम डेटा. तो व्हाट शुड बी देयर, टोटल, सीरियल नंबर, रोल नंबर, सब्जेक्ट 1, सब्जेक्ट 2, टोटल परसेंटेज, एवरेज. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम यूजिंग सीरियल नंबर. किसी को समझ में अगर नहीं आता है या कुछ भी, तो यू कैन आस्क. मैं थोड़ा जल्दी से कर लेता हूं क्योंकि कल भी we covered this thing only. इसे हम थोड़ा सा निपटा देते थे. Name, then सब roll number. प्लीज ध्यान दीजिएगा कि इससे मैं मल्टीपल फंक्शंस को यूज करूंगा, तो उस टाइम पे आप लोग फंक्शन को चाहे तो हाथ कर सकते हैं और कहीं पे भी पूछ सकते हैं. Then subject 1. If I'm going to drag this thing, subject 1 to will appear. Then I need to find sum or total number, then percentage, then I need to find a result. Okay, then I need to find grade or rank. You can say grade or rank. Okay, rank is here. Rank is different from grade. बताऊंगा अभी कैसे. For example, I need serial number, so I can type 1, 2 and select and drag it. जहाँ पे समझ में ना है ना, तो फिर से बताता हूँ उसमें. तो you can ask, जहाँ पे आपको समझना है प्लीज आस्क. यहाँ पे I type random name, राम, श्याम, मोहन, सुरेश, महेश, anything. Roll number must be, roll number it could be random, so I am just creating a roll number on the behalf of first name or first letter of name or second letter of name and combined with serial number. So how I am going to use left this thing, number of text 2, then number of text 2, then I choose here is still RA, then I am going to combine this with this function by concatenate. Okay, this is the concatenate function, or instead of the concatenate function, I can use the operator of concatenate. This is ampersand. Okay, then repeat this thing how many times? For example, 2 times. So it will come RA22 and then I drag it SH22. Or if I want to put a space or slash and something, so I can use slash symbol, hyphen symbol, and again the ampersand symbol. Now it show me like this. Okay, random detail is there. So whenever I change Vikash, it show V1111. Now I need to assign number from 1 to 100. So I'll choose a function name as rank between 1 to 100. Control enter to put all detail. Now I need sum, so I can use is equal to sum and select the range. Then here is the percentage option. Percentage is something, anyone who want to explain the percentage, कोई percentage को कुछ भी बताना चाहिए क्या होता है और how we can find the percentage. I think यहाँ से आपके काम आएगी चीजें तीनों. यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो बहुत बेसिक था कि आपके काम आती नहीं आती मैटर नहीं करता. यहाँ से आपके माइट भी पॉसिबल कि काम आए. So anyone from you who can explain how to find the percentage in Excel? There is no function to find the percentage. We need to do manually by using formula. आप बताओ.
is equal to
percentage. परसेंटेज का कोई फंक्शन नहीं है, बाय यूजिंग फॉर्मूला ही कर सकते हैं. कैसे करेंगे? परसेंटेज होता क्या है?
by 100.
हाँ, बाय 100. किस में से 100? 100 में से कौन सा नंबर आया? फॉर एग्जांपल
value in respect of 100. Value in respect of 100.
Value in respect of 100.
Value as equal to 100. Okay. So यहाँ निकालेंगे कैसे? How percentage you gain? For example, you have 160 number of total number of 167. So how I can say कि what percentage you gain? 50%, 20%, 30%, वो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? Percentage symbol, some percentage same कि how much you gain from how much was there.
वो numbers में
ठीक है? How much you gain or how much is there? We always say ना कि respect to 100 something. तो यहाँ पे I got 167 number is by कितने में से मिला मुझे? 100, 100,
300.
100. So I got this number कितने में से?
300.
300. For percentage, I need
Into 100.
100. So 55.667. 6667. Then 68%, 55%, 53%. I can increase decimal or decrease decimal by using this tool. We already covered this one. ठीक है, समझ में आया? यहाँ पे 3, why we are using 3? क्योंकि 3 subject थे. That is why 3 into 100. Maximum marks 100 थे. Now there is a result option. There is a condition. If I get percentage 50, then it is called pass. Otherwise fail. Or you can say anything. It's up to your criteria. तो इसमें हम कैसे यूज करेंगे? How we are going to find the percentage? If the logic is this: if percentage is equal to 50%, is equal to or greater than. So it could be 49 greater than or smaller than. Greater than 49 is pass, otherwise fail. ठीक, तो रिजल्ट में we are going to use if condition. Logic is something. अच्छा, कोई मुझे बताएगा लॉजिक क्या होता है? Anything? कोई भी आप में से मुझे क्लियर करना चाहे कि लॉजिक क्या होता है? लॉजिकल टेस्ट तो हम समझ जाएंगे और आई विल सॉल्व दिस थिंग इन 2 or 3 मिनट. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड लॉजिक क्या होता है. व्हाट इज द लॉजिक? बताओ लॉजिक क्या होता है? आप मेरे अकेले कैंडिडेट हो जहाँ बैठे हो, बताओ लॉजिक क्या होता है? Logic is something कि I'll ask to compare something कि ये इस चीज से बड़ा है या छोटा है. Is it equal to or not equal to them? तो लॉजिक के आंसर क्या हो सकते हैं? What are the possibility to?
Either this or no.
हाँ, तो टोटल पॉसिबिलिटी कितनी होगी? 100 क्यों होगी? टोटल पॉसिबिलिटी क्या होगी कि हाँ किसी का आंसर 2 क्या क्या?
This or
Yes or no, this or that.
yes or हाँ.
This or that, yes or no. Again, true or false. अगर yes तो true, false तो no. So ये पूरा condition जो है logical function, it will always work on true or false. The logical test is if I choose percentage must be greater than 49. Then it will call, there is the option name of value true or value false. So there is known as pass as well as कल का हुआ था. पहले अच्छा एक सर पूछ रहे थे ना कि where we are going to use the concatenate and row functions. तो concatenate row का तो कंफर्म नहीं. स्ट्रिंग के अंदर फंक्शन के अंदर we are going to string inside of double quotes. You can see here. Now I'll press enter. It's so fast. Okay, when I अच्छा ये अच्छा सारी पास. Okay, I just decrease the number 1, so it is fail. Is it clear? If condition is clear to you, or I need to discuss more about if condition because there are lots of logical function named. Okay, there are only 3 logical functions which we are going to use at a several time. First if, second and third or. अगर ये आप लोगों को क्लियर है तो इट्स ओके. अदरवाइज I can do 3 of the functions. मुझे पता है आपको नहीं if and or 3 function. Okay, does anyone know कि what are the use of these 3 function if and or?
If the condition होता है.
Okay, let me extend the dictionary. I'll go there. Achha, one more thing. Like there is the option of pass and fail. If you understand the if condition, if you're not asking this, let me check the chat box. Okay, no one is asking because I'm going to cover right now the nested if inside if. Okay, that is why if you want to ask anything, it's time you can ask. Because we are going to use grade inside the grade, we are using multiple ifs. Okay, no problem. If we have percentage is greater to 90, then we have a grade of A. ध्यान दीजिएगा. If we have only greater than 80, percentage 80, like I type here percentage, and this is known as grade. I am assigning randomly B. If we have 70, then we need C, and so on. Or for example, after C, we don't need D, E, F. Okay, we need nothing. Okay, we need blank. We need to assign only A, B, C. Three grades are there. So how we are going to do? There are three conditions. There was only one condition. If this number is something greater than, less than, is equal to, not equal to, anything is possible. And number, we compare two things. A cell by a number, then we put the pass or fail as a string. So the comparison is greater than, as I told you, the greater than 90, greater than 80, greater than 70, and as a string we have A, B, and C. So what we are going to use here, let me zoom it. Okay, what we are going to use, let me copy this one. Okay, here understand it and put here. Okay, now the screen is visible now. Now we are going to use multiple if condition inside a if. Okay, whenever multiple function is coming in, multiple function is coming inside a function, a single function. This is called nested function. Here we are going to use if condition, and multiple if in one if. If condition, logical test is the percentage must be greater than how much? 90. 90. So what is the value of true? Okay, if is it high, 90, is it there 90? So what will become? It will come A. So A is string. That is why we need to type in double quotes and close double quotes. Then we need to find if false, then we need to check again. If we want to check this one is greater than 80. If it is greater than 90, then A. If not, so it should check greater than 80. If it is greater than 80, then B. Otherwise, we need to check again. If this number is greater than 70, then we have an option named as C. Does we have another option? Does we have another option instead of A, B, C? No.
No, we have no
Nothing.
option.
So when we have no option, there is one more option. Inverted comma open and inverted comma close. Double quotes open and close. It shows nothing. Blank. Blank is also a string and nothing is and no anything. So now we need to close bracket three times. First for this if, second for this if, and third for this if. You no need to worry. Whenever you just close it, it will be automatically highlighted for a few seconds, like this one and this one. Now it's complete and we can press enter. So percentage is not 90, not 80, not 70. That is why it comes blank. If I drag it will come all. Achha. We need to increase the number. Okay. I'm just increasing the number. And between I type minimum number is 50 and maximum number is 100. Now you can see only 80% and 76%. So it comes B grade and C grade and rest are nothing. If I type 61 instead of 61, we wrote here function If I give them not 50, I'll give minimum value is 80. So might be possible everyone get A, then B, B. I think you are understand this thing. Did you understand this thing? Anyone confirm? Anyone can confirm from online or chat box. Did you understand this thing? Thank you, Aslam. Dishant sir. Perfect. Okay, there is another option named as rank. Okay, grade is different, rank is different. Rank is something who is on the top that need to be shown. Like first, who was second, who was third. I'm doing for only three, like first, second, third. The rest is can be blank. One, two, and three. Data is random, so that is why it's changed time to time. Or if something will be same, so it can be considered as a first rank. So is equal to the function is equal to R, A, and K. Rank, only rank function. A rank is something number. Where is the number? This is the number, and so separation point, and then I will put here the range from where we need to find this thing and close. So it comes one. Now there is a okay. There is one more question. If I drag it, what will come? If I drag it here and leave it, what will come? Anyone have any guess? I use function. Function is correct. Function is working well. As you can check, this is second, but 94 is first, 93 is second. Okay. If I refresh it, now 92, 90, then 89. So it comes 3. If I drag it, what will come? If I'm going to drag it, who will be the first? It can be a right question. Who will be the first? Okay, first is not the problem is will come. Which problem is coming? बताओ कौन सा problem आएगा? Okay, if I'm going to drag this function, one problem will come. It will not show 3, 2, 1 and something like that. It will show like 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, it's like this.
Why?
Why? This is my question, na? That is why I am asking to you. Anyone कोई ऑनलाइन में से बताना चाहेंगे? Question is, I use the correct function, correct formula. So you can see if I refresh it, so there is 94. 94 is greater than all of them. When I drag it, it will not come 1, 2, 3 like this. कुछ error आएगा. I want this error. कि क्या error आएगा? Okay, let me fix this one. So data will not change. Right click and paste it. And paste it. So it is not changing. Okay. Now अगर मैं इसे drag करता हूँ तो first ये आना चाहिए, है ना? Then second ये आना चाहिए, लेकिन नहीं आएगा. क्यों? और हम इस चीज को नहीं कुछ तो 3 से 4 बार पढ़ चुके हैं. Why it will not come?
Because we are not referencing the cell. It
Oh.
keeps changing.
Thanks, Aman. That is the correct answer. Or which cell we need to fix? Which cell we need to fix? And you can guess
First
also.
one, the reference one that we are giving. Like,
I1, I29.
just a second. Yeah.
I29. If I fix I29, so it will always look him. Okay, like I fix it and then I drag it. It show 3, 3, 3, 3. I think. Okay, 3, 3 and 9. Bilkul. because it always see from here. यहाँ से देखिए यहाँ से
Then we have to fix the range that
I-
I-29 and the range.
Okay, this one, this I-29.
No, no, it's changing. The range is again changing from that to.
So what we need to fix?
We need to fix the range in between which and the cell that we are seeing.
Okay, this whole cell, whole range.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when I drag it, what will come? It will come 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3, 0. And why it's coming 3, 3, 3? Just because, okay, we did a great part. What I was asking, that was this solution. We need to fix the range, but we don't need to fix this one, this cell, just because it. I want for this should be appear reference. For this should become, and this should become. Okay, so when I fix I-29, it always look only for I-29. So that is why it's giving the answer I-29 as a third rank. So it will always give me all of them are third rank. So what should I do? I need to unfix this. Okay, remove the dollar symbol by using F4 key, and then I click. Now I drag it. It will come. अब क्या आएगा? क्यों?
फिक्स
1, 2, 3 नहीं आएगा. जिसका जो रैंक होगा वही आएगा.
हाँ
ठीक है? Now it's clear. मैम आपको क्लियर हुआ? आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था. Is it clear to you, ma'am? As you asked, as you gave the suggestion also. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, right is there. This is a sample of mark sheet which you are going to use these functions also. I think the if condition, the nested if, and the rank function. Rest of them are not good for you. I can't say good for you, but useful to you. Or we need to format it. How we are going to do? Just select all, or where you want to do. Just select this thing and press border, home tab, and border this thing. And now select the mark sheet. Select and merge and center and type mark sheet. Okay, only that was there. The sort range and sort we already covered and all things. Mark sheet. Acha, one more thing I want to show you something here. Like I don't know the function left C29 to. We have a look on it. Like I need to insert one column here, and I need to drag roll number. Please have a look. ठीक है? यहाँ पे as I write a function to print vi/11. So I need that function left C29, comma 2, then ampersand, then then this one. Or instead of ampersand, we can use the concatenate function. Okay. What if I don't know how to use this function or how to use is a nested function? So I can do one more thing. This is known as flash fill. This is known as flash fill. I give a logic of single one thing and then use flash fill to automate this thing. Okay. Okay. The limitations are there. I'll show you. I type here what is my requirement? What is my logic? Vi, then hyphen symbol and one or two times. One. Same logic is there. Same logic is there. Okay. But I'm going to do. I'm going to use vi slash hyphen 1. Then press enter, and there is a shortcut key named as Control E. It will value of value. Control is the shortcut of. Okay. First we need to select. Wait. Okay, we need to find this one. I type here, then I'm going to select and we need to type Control E. Control E is the shortcut key of Flash Fill. Flash Fill is a tool in, I think, Home tab. That's Flash Fill. This one. Okay.
हाँ 2 मिनट तो
ठीक है, फ्लैश फिल आप लोगों को समझ में आया? हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज फ्लैश फिल? ये एक क्वेश्चन था, जैसे मैं विकास कुमार झा 3 सेल में लिख रहा था ना, और I want to type in one cell, so we are going to use concatenate function. Instead of concatenate function, what if I reverse the condition? Like I type in or I type in one cell something, I need to combine this, or we need to contain something. तो इसमें इशू क्या है? पहले बात तो मुझे ये बताइए कि did you understand the flash fill जो मैंने अभी करके दिखाया, या मैं एक बार और करके दिखाऊं? Just because I'll ask a simple question on the behalf of flash fill. Anyone from online? Offline अभी कोई भी नहीं है. I'm happy to have your output also ना, कि if you are going to answer तो समझ में आया कि हाँ you are going to understand or something. Flash fill आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया? Because I am going to ask a question. ठीक है, मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि when I'm going to use flash fill or I'm going to use function, what will be the difference? Because you can see vi hyphen double one is coming, sh hyphen double two is coming, mo hyphen double three is coming. Okay, and it is too easy from this function because we need to write function and all. So when we can do these things, so why we are using the function things? कोई भी आप इसे बताएगा? बताइए. आपने तो कुछ नहीं सीखा. मिताली मैम, युजी मैम, सपन सर. कोई नहीं बताना चाहेंगे? ओके, चलिए मैं बताता हूँ आपको. When I'm going to change the name, like Shyam is there, I'll type Prachi. So you can see here is the PR2222, but this is only SS2222. मतलब क्या है कि, और if I want to change this one for like 20, okay, तो यहाँ पे देखा PR2020, मतलब it is always come, it is not depend on what we had. Okay, whenever we are going to change the cell value, so we gave the cell reference, so it will automatically change. But यहाँ पे we just fix the value. So nothing is dependent on cell referencing. No matter what is there, the matter was what was there when I wrote here. Okay, this is the major difference in flash fill and cell referencing. So whenever we are using the Excel or we are being the expert of Excel, so I'm using only less time in flash fill. Maximum time I'm going to use by using function and formula. Okay, so when I'm going to change something, so it will cell reference by using cell referencing.